Welcome to Super Global Host, your trusted partner for Saudi business setup and investor licensing. The Saudi investor license is valid for 1 year and can be renewed 3 months before expiry. The official renewal fee was 12,000 riyals, but many renewals are now processed without immediate payment. Foreign investor companies pay 20% corporate income tax on net profit each year. If you are already in Saudi Arabia, you can transfer sponsorship to your own company. Fees depend on previous transfers. If you are outside Saudi Arabia, you can apply through Qiwa, Invest Saudi, or manage your business remotely. Profession changes are handled through Qiwa. Iqama fees apply as per Saudi government regulations. Exit and re-entry visas are managed through Mukim. Worker visas through Qiwa. Family visas can be applied independently. Depending on classification, you may issue up to 12 work visas. Each starts from around 2,000 riyals plus additional costs. Super Global Host will guide you from licensing to operation. Start your Saudi business today.